Well, hello everyone, and welcome to our little project where we build a blog and portfolio website using some technologies like Next.js, Tailwind, and other stuff. Give me one moment. So, um, yeah, okay, today we are going to build navigation bar. At least we start with it. Last we left off on building our hero section, which is this part. You can see it right now. Yeah. So in the current state, it is kind of there, but needs fine tuning. But I want to do it after building the navigation bar. So there is looks like there is a hindsight on planning on my end. I take responsibility for it. But otherwise we are on a right track here. In the meantime, let me go back to my code. I started using the virtual desktops of how do you call it? Virtual desktops of Windows to have a better flow here, because otherwise it is bugging me too much. Yeah, but anyway, we have a lot of difference that is not committed yet. Basically, what is interesting for us is are not these, but rather these hero items. So when we're going to commit it, it is going to be like feed hero component or something like that. But I will leave it for later until it is finished, because I haven't yet touched anything on the test, etc. One other thing is we added these small adjustments or additions to our type scaling or type definitions of our theme, which helps us with this design. So as you can see in this design, I applied a highlight or a semi-transparent background to the text here to deal with the background contrast issue. This was also new to me. Maybe I knew it, but I forgot. I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't important. It is not important. There is a mark element for in the HTML. So mark does exactly what I needed. The highlight effect. And that was something I overlooked before. So I added that. So maybe we can push this in with the tailwind as well. So okay, yeah, let's keep it with the hero as well. Okay, so anyway, this is not important. Let's continue with the navigation bar. So it is a almost 4-minute introduction. I am getting better at this. So let's talk about the navigation bar. Our navigation bar is something like this. So this is basically a navigation bar. It will be much more, of course, symmetrical when we apply it. I'm not sure where it's. Let's also put the. Right now I am on the planning and designing phase of the front-end development. Yeah, okay. So we can have it like a fixed situation. Can it snap? It can't, because it is not. If I move it here, now it can snap. Yeah. So we can basically have something like this. It will be height 80, and it will span the entire area, entire width of the screen. Again, we will think about the responsiveness, but I will come to that later. So we can close this now. How did I solve the issue with aligning to the middle? Flex column. There is nothing on the page itself about aligning things. Ah, okay. We will have a container. No, this is not it. Okay, I think page needs to have a so probably we are going to have something like some definition here, right? I'm not sure. We will find it. So we full, then probably px 32. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So we can start with this. Then we will figure out. We will figure it out. Okay, so going back to the navigation bar. Our navigation bar again will be similar to hero. Then it will have two sibling elements. One is a CTA button or a get in touch button. How do you want to call it? And the other thing is to the right, we have the navigation itself. Again, we go back to our base template, copy, then to the components, we paste it, change the name as navbar, right? So for each of these files, we change the naming. Navbar, nice. So here we come, select base template, select every instance of base template and make it navbar. For the test, we select base template, change everything to navbar. And here, select base template, change everything to navbar. Nice. So this should be working now. Okay. I don't need this. Did I change the stuff here? Right. Okay, cool. So our navbar, again, I'm not sure if it is going to have an intent or not. I don't think so. Maybe we will have some dark theme, light theme in the future. But we will get to it. How did I do it here? Yes. Cool. So we don't have this. I don't think we will have any props here. Or do we? Wait. Probably we are going to have some props. You know how I know it? Because now that is interesting. Let me check the next documentation here. Can we fetch stuff? Okay, we can do it here. Can I fetch stuff on the app level? Not on the index page or on the document? I can do it on the document, I think. You know what? Let's try. The easiest way is to try. What I am trying to achieve is, let me tell you. So we can open Next.js org here as well. Here, as you can see, the writings and projects are blog for me, for myself. If you remember before, so projects and writings are two authors on my current CMS modeling data model. So this will be a dynamic selection, I think. So what I want to achieve is to have these two to be a dynamic element, dynamic navigation bar. We are trying to make everything dynamic. just because. So let's try. In our services, I will add a new method here, const get, let's say, get navigation items. Come on, man. Navigation, what can we call it? Yeah, why not? Navigation items. We can think about better naming. So it will be the authors. We are trying to get the authors first. Then we will get pages. Then we will combine them. Something like that. We will figure it out. Okay, content API. So here I want to fetch authors. Yeah. When I get the authors, I get their slug name. Do I need URL? I don't think so. Let's begin. Okay. So we'll get the author. Let's do it. Const authors. It is wait. Okay. Rows. Sure. If I just call it like this, it brings everything, right? Return authors. Let's get pages as well. Await API dot pages. Okay. So we can return authors and pages for now. Let's do it. Let's go step by step. Now, not on the now bar, but I will just make this working. Let's keep it really simple for now. Ah, come on. No. What I was doing, I was going to do it on the app. Let's see if this is a valid thing. Now we need to think about layouts then. Yeah, that is another interesting issue. Let's build the navigation bar first, then we go and think about layouts, because I know Next has some new stuff about layouting. Yeah. The React model allows us to deconstruct a page into a series of components. Yeah, we know that. Okay, normally there is a layout and component. Okay, page per page layouts with Typescript. Next page with layout. Okay, page.layout. You see, it's also doing it on the app. This is what we are trying to do. Navbar main footer. Okay, you need to do it using SVR. You cannot use get static props because this is a component. If it is on the page, we can do it. You must first create a new type for your pages, which includes a get layout function. Okay, so it is definitely possible. I mean, it is possible to do it in a beautiful way. We do it next page with layout, then hello world. Okay. So let's do this, guys. It is going to be a I think I can do it. So if I not on the app, pardon me. So we don't want to touch app at all. Yeah, we want to do it here. On the index. No, not on the index. I don't want to do it on the index because it should be available to every page. I want to do it on the app. Let's try. Why not? I am halfway into it already. Come on, what's happening? App. Let's go. We are experimenting. Next page. Wait. Page is the next page with layout. Oh. This is not a already typed thing. I need to do it like this. Okay. New type for your pages, which includes a get layout function. I see. Huh. But this is not exactly what I want. Or do I? If you have only one layout, you can create a custom app and wrap your application with the layout. Yeah, I wanna do this. Okay, so we are going to do this. Let's see, on the 20-minute mark, let's do the layout, why not? I don't care. So again, we are defecting from our plans. This is my life. So we will have another thing, but I want to put it, I want to put it here in a new folder, layouts. Why not? Let's copy this again. Paste it here. Rename. Not this one. Main layout. Okay, cool. This is part of, I will change the title of the video. I will name it layout and navbar. Main layout. I am not sure if we are going to have different layouts for post pages, for example. I'm not sure. So I want to name it main layout. While we are at it, let's remove this. Main layout. And here, so again, variants empty. I want to remove this for now. Okay, so my main layout is, now it is a good thing because now I can put the stuff I put on the index page here, which is like this one. Yeah, this is good. Okay, this is good. Right, let's do it. So I will take this entire thing to my main layout. Main layout styles is this. It doesn't expect any parameters. And within it, we will have a navbar. And children. Right? There should be a children, something like this. So we should have a children here. We will figure this out. Let me go back to here. I mean, yeah. I'm missing the point. Okay, it works for me. We can have a footer later. And as they suggested, we can wrap this in main. Right. We will fix this. So here on the app, we will wrap this with main layout. Right. Let's follow the documentation. Cool. Okay, one more thing now. Now we need to give this some props. So it will be a bit messy, but we will figure it out. Now, back to layout. Children. So this is basically a next. Is there a next component? I'm not sure. React FC. Come on, man. Prop types. I will fix this later. I don't want to spend time on it. This is actually, this should be very simple, but I'm not. Children is a React node. So this is my main layout props. Does it work now? Yes. Cool. I don't want to get rid of this because then it loses the object notation, object structure. We will figure it out. We have this. Then when we come to the app, we wrapped the entire thing. Now, so now let's go back to our service. right. You know what? Now we know it. Navbar will have some props as well. Navbar. I'm not really sure about what we will have there, but this will be I'm not sure how to call it. This will be some array. So let's do it like this for now. It will be items. And navbar will map onto the items. Return item dot slug. Something like this. What happened there? Okay, so it should be something like this. Let's see. So now main layout, when it calls the navbar, it will send some items in here. Items will be items. What am I doing here? And main layout will also receive items, any array. Okay, so back to app. Now this one needs some items. Let's go back to our drawing board. Let's check. Can I invoke get static props on app? Discussion here. Let's go. Okay, are we going to replace entire thing to the new app directory? You know what? Let's do it later. That will be another task for us. So I need to fetch it on the layout application using SVR. Why not? Let's do it. So main layout will not take this. Instead, we will fetch it here. I don't like it. You know what? We don't even need it. Right, thanks. And what is it? SVG icon. Let's call it icon. I am not sure. We will think about the icons. Toolbox, something like that. Why not? So this will not be a prop. Okay, and navbar will take the items and show the slug. I mean, why not? Let's see a working example. By the way, how is it looking at the moment? Ah, all right, all right, all right. So what I need to see, projects, block, no. So here, when I go to author/landing, okay. What about this? Tags, not tags, authors. Content/authors. Wait. Authors/landing. This is different. Get content authors. Let me see it on my end. They have an API. They built the API themselves. Let's call this and see what happens. On my main layout, can I have a use effect here? Why not? Const data equals this is stupid. I'm just hacking right now. This normally I would use a hook. I would build a hook here and use the hook. Let's use SVR. Why I'm doing like this. Let's install SVR. I need to check it. Oh. Yeah. You may never know with npm. You may never know which package you are installing. There are very weird examples of it. So we are just gonna do this, right? We can do this. I wanna check Ghost's documentation, how they are suggesting. Where is the gem stack stuff? So nothing on the client side? No. Yeah, I need to get pets as well. So I need to find another way to... Yeah, actually this is... Yeah, we need to do this. We will get static pets. Because right now, I see. So the thing is, we need to build paths, but also our navigation bar relies on, at least in our opinion, relies on the dynamic data. So on one hand, we need to build static paths, and on the other hand, you see where I'm going with this? on the other hand, we need and how our pets are built. So I think if we go here, I should have some stuff. Writings test post. Okay. Writing is coming soon. Yes. Okay, let me try it this way. Let's make it a hook. So I wanted to make it somewhat different. Use get navigation items. Why not? Let's do it. So here should be use get navigation items. Yeah, it is cool, but I don't know about this. I feel like I'm building a lot of boilerplate for unnecessary amount of work. You know what? I will think about this later off the screen. Let's fuck this. Yeah, I will think about it later. Let's work on the thing we have. Okay? So I'm thinking about something like this. I can get rid of this. Now on the number. Let's focus on the design. Yeah, let's focus on the design. One thing I want to check. You know, we have icons for the, so I can put the icon here, or perhaps on a URL, on a bio. SVG projects. Not sure. Anyway, I am distracted a lot. Let's do it, guys. I delayed too much. So here we have navigation bar. There is the fountain pen. Where did I get these? I get these from some library, definitely. But I don't remember where. PNG. Let's get it. What is the color? Export. I mean, sure. Get the other one. Lockpicks. Export. And this one is about me. Okay, let's get that as well. So open file. Do not, no, not open file. Open the directory. Okay, we are here. Downloads, get these 3 to public folder. Images, why not? So this will be projects. This will be writings. This will be about. And lockpicks will be projects. Cool. Now if you come back here, icon is /images/ I need to find a better way about this. We will. So projects will be projects. Or we can, no. Come on. This one will be about. Okay. Now in navbar, we are gonna map the items as if first there will be, so this will be a flex, justify between, what else? V full, why not? And here, first of all, we will have a button. What? Button to get in touch. We will deal with it later. And the other one will be a UL. And in this UL, we will map the items. This is going to be Lee. And it will have an icon, right? What? Image. You can get this from Next. Source is item.icon. And you want an alt. Item.slug. Why not? P is item.title. I don't remember how I called them. Flex. Yeah. Let's see. I am doing this just on the fly. Missing width property. Sure. Let me tell you about them. Width is 20. Okay. Height property. Okay. Sure. Not looking good. But at least we saw the... Oh, you are not seeing it. Can you see it now? Okay. So let me show it like this. Right there it is. I have no idea why it is like that. These are not SVGs, that is why. I need to find the library where I get these icons. I don't really remember. Hero icons? Was it hero icons? No. SVG fountain icon rotate. Let's see what this will bring us. SVG collection. Or let's, oh wait. So let's go to React icons or something. There is a huge page. Is it this one? Yes. No, not Radix icons. Game icons. Was it this one? Yes. Fountain pen. There it is. Cool. So we can make it like this. Color is... What is our color? Gray 50. Tell me the color. Gray 50 is this. Let's get SVG. Nice. Shadow, stroke, no. Okay, let's download this thing. Now we will try. Fountain pen. We make this writings. SVG. Remove it. Oh, it has a background. Can I remove the background? Yeah, okay. Let's do it again. Writings.svg. How does this look? Cool. Okay, let's get the other ones. What was it? Lockpick. Lockpicks. There it is. Foreground. Looking up top is better, I think. Get the SVG. And the other one is robot. Profile robot or something like that. If I remember correctly. Android mask. Cool. What was it? Face. Cyborg face. Mask. Profile. Okay, let's put a why not? Why? I don't have to use everything in my Figma file. Let's get these two. Lockpicks is projects and RAM profile is about. Okay, let's go back to main layout. Writings, projects, about, SVG, SVG, SVG. Cool. So here we can specify the color as text gray 50. Nice. Okay, it is coming somewhere. So this also needs to be flex and justify between, right? And this image should have a, can I have a class name here? Right, I don't know, 2. Where was it? Landing page. So how did I make this? Come closer. What is the distance? The distance is x0, y5. So 25. Then it is 28. So it is only P1. Oops. Never mind. So we want to make this MR1. And also each one will have ML4. Why not? Okay, I think this is cool. We are getting somewhere. On the last minute, if you can see. Yeah, it is okay. And for the one last touch, I will have for this navbar on the layout or on the navbar. Oh, okay. So navbar is going to be 80 pixels, age 20, and let's give like this, something to the bottom. What happened here? I know what happened. This one also needs to be items and we will fix this, okay? And this one is also item center. Okay, this is better. Cool. Oh, this is not much different than so what I'm trying to do is get it like this. Like here. Okay, so let's get rid of this and let's close the guidelines grid. So if we look at it side by side, I think it looks okay. I think we are somewhere. Yeah. I'm not sure why this is cramped up. Oh. Wait, what is this? No, not this one. What is this? This one is... Wait. There's something wrong with our stuff. So layout has px32. But this one also has some px value. Aha. Let's remove this as well. Okay, now it is better. I think we are very close. I am happy with the work. It has been another 70 minutes. But I think this is cool. Okay. I think we can leave it here for now. I will think about it. I will come a bit more prepared. Not I will not think on the fly. I will not think on the spot while I'm recording. Instead, I will have a bit of preparation. Then maybe I can be more efficient with that. Okay, so this was episode 7. We had worked on layout. Now our application has a layout component as well. So we will have a navigation bar, a footer at the bottom, It will be standard on each page for now. What else? I think we are cool. Okay, guys. All right, take care. Like and subscribe. We reached 200 subscribers. I'm so happy. I'm so glad. Just 12 days ago, I was announcing, and I was very happy and proud of myself that this channel reached 100 subscribers. And I'm not doing anything outside of YouTube to expose, to announce anything. I don't do any kind of shout outs. So it is happening organically by itself, and I am enjoying this a lot. So I'm so thankful to everyone who is being a part of this and listening to it. And if you are listening to this, just say hi on the comments. It means a lot to me. 200, after 100 subscribers, reaching to 200, so doubling it in 12 days, it is quite encouraging for me. And I think the future is bright for us and for this channel. So thanks again. Take care and see you next time, probably on Friday.